Normal water heated mattress pad with little water flow in the small pipe, but HOYA ONDOL JIMJIL bed with a lot of water flow in the large pipe. It's about 107 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Assembling is completed in about 20 minutes by 2 people. No matter how much I jump on this, my back is already hot.
His is the second product that I will introduce today. Last time we showed HOYA ONDOL, which is a groundbreaking product in easy installation, energy savings, high durability, good health, etc., and the response was very good. This time, it is a steaming bed that anyone can easily install, as long as there is a bed-size space. Let's hear the explanation of what is different from a normal water-heated mat and what advantages it has. What's different between a water-heated mat and HOYA steam bed?
The water-heated mat has 5 millimeters of pipe diameter. Our product is 10 millimeters. The water-heated mat has little water flow and our product gets a lot of water flow, so the temperature rises quite a bit. It rises above 104 degrees Fahrenheit, so it has a steaming effect.
Is the boiler the same as on the water-heated mat?
Yes, the boiler is the same.
When filled with water, hot water is delivered through this pipe to heat it up, which is the same as the existing hot water mat. But there is a difference in the pipe size. Is this pipe diameter 10 millimeters? How many millimeters does the normal water-heated mat use?
5 millimeters.
So maybe there is a difference in thickness?
Yes, our product is 16 millimeters, outside diameter of pipe.
Then the amount of water flow is different, right?
Yes, the cross-sectional area of the pipe is 4 times that of the water-heated mat. The amount of water is 4 times more.
It's a lot warmer because the amount of water is 4 times different, right?
Temperature of the bed rises above 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Water-heated mats do not go up to that level. The heated mat only warms the skin surface when you lie down. Because our product contains Elvan stone, it warms up to the inside of the skin and makes it sweat. It has something to do with far infrared rays for good health. This material was developed jointly with the Korea Institute of Science and Technology as a carbon composite material. It includes Elvan, so it emits far infrared rays and is very good for health. It is especially good for fatigue recovery and anti-aging. Water mats usually have a thin pipe and a vinyl or cotton fabric finish. Our product is made of carbon composite material that surrounds the pipe. The water-heated mat is made of vinyl or cotton fabric and the pipe is thin, so the amount of water is little.
Instead, the heated water mat is foldable, right?
Yes, the water-heated mat can be folded. But our HOYA ONDOL steam bed has to be disassembled one by one. In the summer, it is disassembled and stored in one place, and in the winter, it is reassembled, and the assembly is completed in 20 minutes with 2 people. It is very strong and durable as it has high intensity.
Isn't it difficult to assemble? Are you putting them all together one by one?
We will assemble these panels one by one.
Is it easy to insert these pipes into panels?
As you can see, the pipe is flexible, so all you have to do is press it properly.
What is the size of this bed now?
This is now queen size, 1.5 meter by 2 meter. Super single is 1 meter by 2 meter. The large king size is 2 meter by 2 meter. Our product has 3 sizes. However, since it is made of a panel, you can adjust the size to your liking.
What is the size of one of these panels?
50 centimeters by 50 centimeters, of course.
Then I can buy as many as I want and make it the size I need? Is it possible to purchase sizes such as queen and super single, or can they be purchased individually?
Basically, 3 types are released, but it is possible to purchase individually.
I think that's an advantage. The water-heated mat has a fixed size and cannot be changed. You can make it any size you want and use it as a bed. So it's going to be a stone bed?
A normal stone bed costs $2,500 or more. Very difficult to work when moving. Hoya steam bed acts as a stone bed. There is a big difference between heating a normal stone bed with electrical cable, but heating this product with hot water. It is much easier to move and install than a stone bed.
Can I cover the top plate like this and press it?
완성품을 한번 보도록 할까요? 네, 저분이 직원분들이 이제 설치하고 있는데 이렇게 해서 상판을 덮어주고 그냥 눌러주면 되는 거예요.
Just snap panels together.
이렇게 아까 말씀하신 대로 50cm, 50cm이기 때문에
How many panels for a queen size?
퀸 사이즈면은 4개에
There are 12 in total.
2개 이제 패널이 들어가는 거네요. 보시면 이미 4개가 설치가 됐어요.
네, 뭐 아주 빠르게 되고 있죠.
네, 이렇게 들어가고 나머지도 들고 와서 덮어만 주면 간단하게 설치가 되고 있습니다.
I see that the installation itself is not difficult. I think it's easier than Lego.
훨씬 쉬운.
It can be installed in 20 minutes with 2 people at home.
모녀나 이렇게 두 분이서 뭐 한 20분이면 충분히 설치가 가능합니다.
Are there any stains on your hands due to the black color?
혹시 손에 묻어나나 뭐 그런 건 없나요?
예, 저희 이게 탄소복합 소재.
Because it is a carbon composite material, it is very eco-friendly and does not cause any environmental pollution.
환경 오염이 전혀 발생이 되지 않아요.
친환경 소재라는 거죠.
Are there any other colors?
The characteristic of carbon is black. We are trying to make the colors different right now.
저희도 지금 이제 색깔을 좀 더 바꾸려고 노력은 많이 하고 있어요.
이렇게 하면 이미 저희가 말하는 사이에 다 덮개 끝났습니다. 네, 보시면
What do you do with the end part that sticks out like this?
어떻게 마감해 주시죠?
예, 그래서 저희가 이제
There is a side finishing material, so you can snap it by hand like Lego.
손으로 끼워주면 돼요?
예, 그럼요. 저 레고처럼 블럭처럼 이렇게 똑똑 끼워주면 됩니다.
They all have grooves, so no bolts or glues are needed. Just snap them together.
끼워주면 되는 겁니다. 조립 자체가.
뭐 우리 블럭놀이 하듯이 하시면 됩니다.
네, 그러면 이렇게 딱 사이드 몰딩까지 끝나서 작업이 완료가 됐습니다. 돌침대가
It is done now.
지금 보시면 이제 조립이 완성된 상태에서
네.
배관이 이렇게 빠지잖아요.
그렇죠.
그러면 이 배관을 이제 이 보일러와 연결을 해주는 건데요. 전기 온수 보일러죠.
Can I now just connect the pipe to the boiler?
예, 아주 간단하게.
You can do it very simply.
아, 꽂아만 주면 되는 거고.
네.
Just plug it in and turn it.
그러면 여기에 이제
Where do you
물은
put the water?
어디다 넣는 거예요?
There is a water tank in the boiler. Just put it in the water tank.
아, 물만 넣으면.
예, 예.
It is important to turn the pipe tight.
끼게 돌려주시는 게 중요합니다.
A fabric cover was also provided to wrap the pipe.
카바를 마련했습니다.
네, 이거는 보시는 온수면 다 동일하네요, 이런 게.
예, 그렇습니다.
Obviously, the pipe is much thicker than the hot water heated mat.
Much bigger than a pipe in the water heated mat.
그죠? 예. 예.
이 상태에서
In this state, you can pour water over the top.
Pour water and turn on the power to warm.
연결하게 되면 이제 여기가 따뜻해집니다. 네, 네.
How much water does a queen size hold?
20m 됩니다.
예, 20m 배관이
20m 배관이 들어가는데 물의 양은 얼마 정도 들어가요?
Holds 3.5 liters. The gauge shows when water is filled.
이제 작동이 되는 거고요. 다
네.
채워지는 거죠.
네.
The water temperature is set to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. The current water temperature is 118 degrees Fahrenheit. When it rises to 158 degrees, the surface temperature of the panel becomes more than 118 degrees Fahrenheit.
What's the water level?
When the water level drops, you will hear a beep to replenish water.
아, B 하고 올리나요? 아, 그럼 물도 채워주면 되는 거예요.
네, 네. 그때마다 채워주시면 됩니다.
자, 이렇게 담요까지.
Are blankets included in the basic components?
그럼요.
It includes blankets. In case of export, it will be excluded due to high delivery cost. To finish, you can put it underneath like this.
아, 그럼 끝나는 건가요? 그럼 요 위에 이제 이불을 깔고 쓰시면 되는 거죠?
네, 네.
네, 알겠습니다. 네, 이제 설치하고 저희가 다 틀어놓은 상태에서 이제 10분 정도
Installed in about 10 minutes. No noise at all from the boiler. Let's see how much the temperature has risen.
네, 소음이 없고 자 온도가 얼마나 올라갔는지 한번 전문님. 자 열화상 카메라 갖고 오셨죠?
네네.
자 한번 보여주시죠.
이거를 걷고선 보여드리겠습니다.
네, 걷어보시면 장판이 나왔는데 이게 매끄러워요. 그래서 네. 자 보시면 이렇게 보겠습니다.
It is now 107 degrees Fahrenheit and the normal floor without a bed is about 66 degrees Fahrenheit.
설치 안 된 바닥.
안 되는 거는 한 19도,
네, 19도,
20도입니다.
거의 2배 차이.
Almost double the difference.
여기 보시면 이제
Red is where the pipe passes and hot water is running. You can see the temperature rise to 104 degrees Fahrenheit.
아, 네. 이렇게 해서 배선이 돼서 온도가 40도까지 올라가는 것을 볼 수 있습니다. 이 정도면 뭐
If this is the case, is it possible to experience steaming bath effect?
Yes, at this temperature, the sweat comes out profusely.
Why are there various patterns on the surface of panels?
This is a phenomenon created during automated manufacturing.
That's right, robots do the production.
자, 일로 오시면
Do you receive inquiries about boiler noise?
이 보일러에 소음이 나느냐 안 나느냐 많이
Yes, I get a lot of inquiries. This is a silent boiler.
No sound at all. How much electricity do you use?
전기는 얼마나 먹을까요?
This boiler capacity is 1 kW if you run it for 10 hours. It is about 5 kWh for electric fee because when the target temperature is reached, the boiler stop operating automatically. So in Korea, that's 60 cents for 5 hours a day.
될 것 같습니다.
The current size is a queen size, 1.5 meters by 2 m. The boiler, blanket, and panel are all $360 in Korea. The price will be higher in foreign countries because of overseas delivery charge.
Can I order a smaller size?
You can either subtract more from the basic composition or add more. It can also be used in camper vans.
I think it would be useful for a camper van. There is no noise and high strength, right? Please go up.
예, 요거 놓고.
이거를 카라반이나 캠핑카 또 농막에 설치한다고 생각하시면
뭐 일단 여기에 기존 바닥
It is very strong like a cement floor and there is no problem no matter how much you jump.
큰 문제가 없고요. 그리고 여기 이제
When I lie down, my back is steaming.
되게 뜨거울 것 같은데.
벌써 등이 아주 뜨끈뜨끈합니다.
그러면 이게 정말
It can be used for multiple purposes, such as rural simple houses, campers, and beds and floors in general houses.
다용도로
그렇죠.
될 수 있다는 생각이 듭니다.
예, 특히 거실에
If you make it 2 meter by 2 meter in the living room, the four of you can sit down, drink tea, and sometimes play card game on HOYA ONDOL JIMJIL bed.
Since the size of the panel is 50 centimeters square, it can fit into a narrow or wide space.
그래서 좁은 공간이든 넓은 공간이든 맞으면 다 들어갈 수 있다. 그리고 이 보일러를 설치하게 되면 콘센트만 꽂으면 됩니다. 그래서
네네, 220V
Boiler works by plugging in an outlet.
What is the phone number for HOYA ONDOL?
호야온돌 검색어로
How can I access the internet?
검색하면 되나요? 네, 말씀 잘 들었습니다.
예, 고맙습니다.